Okay. Good morning from True-Vine. Got the biggest log I've ever had on the mill, and it's kind of special. This is the one I cut the other day down bottom that barber chaired on me. First barber chair I've ever had. Didn't damage much from here forward, but I did get a split from there back up from there. And I believe I can cut the majority of that out. I'm gonna try to cut some 1 5/8 or 2 inch stock out of it, and I'm gonna try to quarter saw it. The unique thing about it, it come from the bend bottom of the Buffalo Bottom on Uncle Ben and Aunt Lily's place around the creek. And me and my dad many a time sat underneath this tree during hay season as we was working on equipment. It started to die out on the top, so I went ahead and took it down to save it. And Don F. Jones was, I believe, 75, 74 when he died. He'd have been 76 this year. And this tree is exactly 76 years old. And Don Jones loved trees. He loved growing things. He loved wood. And this is special to me. And anyway, we're going to doctor it where this barber chair is. Oh, the other unique thing about it is it's the biggest tree I've ever put on the sawmill. I hadn't figured the weight on it yet, but it's at least 6,500 pounds, if not a whole lot more. I'm gonna calculate the board footage and the weight of it. But it's a red oak, southern red oak, and it's 35 inches on this end across. Right here, 35 inches. Perfect heart, beautiful rings, awesome tree. The other thing is it's 20 foot 6 inches long, and it's I believe it was 26 inches on this far end down here. But it's gonna take a while to cut this one up, and I'm gonna take a while to cut this one up. Trying to salvage the best and most wood I can out of it. That is quarter sawn wood. Anyway, good morning from True-Vine. It's a little cold here. I just had to add some coats on. It's just me here this morning. Jordan and Jackie are checking fence, and Corey's at the hospital with Tom. And I'm gonna get this baby cut up. Me and the SkyTrack, and Jackie's in the truck with me. We're gonna get it done this morning. I think she's in here scratching fleas. Yep. Jackie, don't do that on camera. That's rude. Here's the other side of it where that barber chair split. So got a pretty good split, but I'm gonna be able to cut that out. Salvage a good bit of it for boards. And then this very end where it's splintered pretty bad, I'm gonna cut it into firewood, burning Papa's heater in the barn. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good morning.
Good gracious. That sucker has some vigor in it. Medullary rays are kicking him in. Like I said, I'm running that 747 blade now, but I cut around the outside and quartered it. I had an oak blade that's cut through. This was the third tree. And it was still good when I started, but there's a little wave in it. Get back, I'm gonna flip. Get a couple of jump out of my log. Now they're about halfway. Gotta raise it up enough.
All right, here's a little F-150 True-Vine today footage. We took a F-150 and took it off the frame, took the motor out, built a frame underneath it, put a step. We cut the steering wheel and the gauges out. I still got a little body work to do on the front here where it looks pretty. But we unpinned the controls, fed the controls up through there and raised the truck up, and we use the truck for storage. Got a headlight here. Need to make it 2 where it matches, but anyway, got some of the necessities inside the truck that we need to work with. Most times Jackie the dog rides with me. Got my controls right here. Got plenty of room to get in. Step up on the floorboard and get in. Have the whole seat here. It hadn't quite timed out yet. Normally I just put my phone up there. I can watch Nathan while I'm sawing here. Find out what I'm doing wrong. How to do it better.